Welcome to Guni. Let's see how you can send SMS directly from Google Sheet. Open Google Sheet where you have mobile numbers. Go to Extensions, click Guni SMS from the list. Then select Send Campaign. Now, Authorized App to continue with your Google account and allow the access. Enter your Guni's account email address and token in Guni app screen. If you don't have an account, please go to Platform to create account and generate token from the integration menu. Now you are ready to send a campaign. Select Sender, type text and select the numbers from the sheet and click Next. If you wish to send text SMS, please enter here, otherwise just cancel. And click Confirm Send. That's it, your messages are sent to recipients. Thank you for watching.